Welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Microsoft Planner Essentials 2023. My name is Vicki Drewa, and I've been training people to use Microsoft products for over 10 years. Microsoft Planner is a user-friendly, flexible tool that can be used for collaboration and project management, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for users who want to learn how to organize and manage individual or team tasks. We'll start with an overview of Planner and its purpose. Then we'll create a new plan from a template and also from a blank plan. Next, we'll start working with cards. We'll create task cards, add information, and assign the tasks. Then we'll integrate Planner and Outlook and add attachments to a card. From there, we'll continue to modify cards by reassigning tasks, adding comments, and customizing labels. We'll also learn how to copy, move, modify, and delete cards. Then we'll add new buckets and rename, reorder, and delete them. Next, we'll manage the plan by changing the group by options, filtering, searching, and changing the views. We'll also mark tasks as complete and modify plan settings. Then we'll learn how to leave and delete plans. In our last section, we'll look at how to integrate Planner and Microsoft 365 apps. We'll export a plan to Excel, add it to an Outlook calendar, and integrate it with SharePoint and Teams. We'll also view your tasks in the To-Do app. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will learn how to use Microsoft 365 Planner to increase productivity, improve team collaboration, and manage tasks.